Hello, students. Today we are going to strengthen your thinking skills once again. But this time, we will focus on something very important before writing your essay. We will learn how to determine your thesis statement. That means we will learn how to clearly decide what the main idea of your paper will be. Remember this: before writing paragraphs, before giving examples, and before explaining anything, you must first know your central idea. Because if your central idea is unclear, your essay will also be unclear. Now, to make our lesson simple and realistic, we will use only one example throughout the discussion: banning the use of cell phones in school. Now, let's begin. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the main topic in a given writing task. Determine a clear thesis statement that serves as the central idea of an expository essay. Distinguish between a general topic and a focused thesis statement. Evaluate whether a thesis statement can guide the body paragraphs. And explain why a thesis statement is important in organizing ideas clearly. Now let's move forward. Let us first understand the word determine. To determine means to decide clearly, to figure out, and to identify with certainty. So when we say determine your thesis, we mean you must clearly decide what your main idea will be before you start writing. Strong writers do not write immediately. They pause, they think, they decide first. Now let us begin with our topic: banning the use of cell phones in school. Is this already a thesis? No, this is only a general topic. A topic is broad. It tells us what the subject of our expository essay is, but it does not tell us what we will explain about it. So the first step in determining your thesis is start with your topic, but do not stop there. Let's do this step by step. Step 1, ask what you want to explain. Since this is an expository essay, our purpose is to explain. So ask yourself, what exactly do I want to explain about banning cell phones? Here are some ideas: the reasons why schools ban cell phones, the effects of banning cell phones, the advantages of banning cell phones, and the problems caused by cell phones. You must choose one clear direction. Let us choose this: the effects of banning cell phones in school. Now our idea is becoming clearer, but it is still not a thesis. Step 2, identify your main points. Now think carefully. What are the main effects of banning cell phones? Let us think realistically. When students do not use cell phones in class, they focus more on lessons. There are fewer distractions. They talk to classmates face to face. These are possible main points. Now ask yourself, do I want to explain these? If yes, then you are determining your thesis direction. You are choosing your central idea. And step 3, turn your decision into one clear sentence. Now combine your ideas into one clear sentence. For example, banning cell phones in school improves student focus, reduces classroom distractions, and encourages better face-to-face communication. That is your thesis. Let's analyze it. Does it clearly state the main idea? Yes. Does it show what the essay will explain? Yes. Does it guide the body paragraphs? Yes. Body paragraph 1 talks about focus. Body paragraph 2 discusses distractions. And body paragraph 3 explains about communication. That is how a thesis works. It controls the whole paper. Now let's check if the thesis is strong. Ask these questions. Is it one complete sentence? Does it clearly show what I will explain? Can I write body paragraphs from it? If the answer is yes, then your thesis is strong. If not, you must revise it. Determining your thesis also means checking if it works. Now let's have a real-life application. Let us imagine your teacher gives this instruction. Write an expository essay explaining the effects of banning cell phones in school. If you do not determine your thesis first, what might happen? You might suddenly talk about cheating, then talk about social media, then talk about school rules, then talk about discipline. Your essay will not be organized. But if you determine your thesis first, your writing becomes focused. You will know exactly what to explain. This is why determining your thesis saves time and avoids confusion. Now, class, some important reminders. Let us avoid these common mistakes. Writing only the topic. Cell phones in school. That is too general. Writing a question. Should cell phones be banned? That is not a thesis. Being too emotional. Cell phones are terrible and must disappear. Remember, we are explaining calmly. A good thesis is clear, specific, focused, and organized. Now let us have the difference between topic and thesis. Let us compare. Topic: cell phones in school. Thesis: banning cell phones in school improves student focus, reduces classroom distractions, and encourages better communication. See the difference? The topic is broad. The thesis is specific and focused. Always move from general to specific. So why is the thesis important? Think of your thesis as the brain of your essay. Without it, your essay has no direction. The thesis guides your paragraphs, helps your reader understand your message, keeps your ideas organized, and prevents you from going off topic. When your thesis is clear, writing becomes easier. So before we end, let us have a review. To determine your thesis, step 1, start with a general topic. Step 2, decide what you want to explain. Step 3, identify your main points. Step 4, turn them into one clear sentence. And step 5, check if it can guide your body paragraphs. Follow these steps every time you write. So class, always remember, determining your thesis is not just about writing one sentence. It is about thinking clearly before writing. Strong writers pause, think, decide, then write. When you determine your central idea clearly, your essay becomes strong and organized. You are not guessing, you are analyzing. And that makes you a responsible and critical thinker. Great job, class! We just finished another lesson that will surely help you level up in school, life, and the future. Do not forget to watch the other lesson videos on this channel. Para every lesson, ikaw ang bida. See you next time.